Hey everyone, it's Shoayb and welcome to the live BTC and the market update. It's 29th of June and we're going to have a look on the market, what's going on, what happened and what's going to happen in our next move. So let's get started. I'm going to give you guys the short update. I just gave already in my Facebook group and on my Discord. So I'm just going to give you the live one and the short one on the right now for YouTube. So let's have a look on the market. All right, so that's the 1 hour chart of the BTC, and just to give you the recap of what's been happening in here, we can see on the 19th of June that the market has been being showing off the really impulsive move from 18,000 $25 to 20,774, and that's a huge move that just happened on a single day, even in this bleeding market. And we are yet to sweep the Sunday lows, which is the region of 19,144 to 18,457, and after that, since for entire week we have just been creating a pattern of liquidity and the price and the volume that has been depleting all the way from this point to current this point. So some people call it the Adam and Eve pattern, and some people call it the reverse handle and cup. But to be very honest, I don't follow up with all those patterns and all that, because I know these are the things that get invalidated real quick. Like people been saying the inverse head and shoulder is currently in making, and we're gonna go like 50,000, 70,000, 85, and that was the bottom of the year and whatever and so on. And unfortunately it got really invalidated, and people are being just sour because they've been following the soothsayers instead of analysts. So we are not here for that. We are not here for the speculation. We are just going to talk about some analysis and just the fact-based stuff, not the opinions and sentiments. All right, so I'm just going to give you the trend line which has been broken on 26th of June. This is the H4 trend line. That means it's been I created on the 4-hour chart, but I'm currently I'm opening. Okay, so it kind of looks like that, but I just need some more data, so I'm just gonna reflect it on the 1 hour, and we can see it's the bottom of the 19th of June. It got bounced on 23rd, then again on late night on the 23rd June, and then got broken on 25th of June, retested, and then we went down all the way from this point. So that was the basic stuff that was going on, and now we're gonna switch towards the daily levels. So these were the levels that I've been discussing since a week. We respected like the dollar perfect value of the 21,481. By the way, I'm just using the BTC index chart. It might kind of differ from your exchange data. So I'm just using the index because I need the more data and the more historical data when I do my analysis and all that stuff. So anyways, this daily got respected, and I'm not gonna invalidate it right now because it's gonna play the resistance when we're gonna go up after the sweeping of the Sunday's lows or whatever the structure will be, because there's no considerable volume up here, and BTC price and the chart is not being developed above than that. So I'm gonna let it here for a while. I'm not gonna move this. And the second support, which was created on 19,962 level, is currently being tested. So the situation is that, are we going to go up or are we going to go down at this point? I believe what's going to happen is that the more we stay in this position, the more it will going to get depleted, and we're going to come down to our or I can say my point of interest, which is at around 18,952 and 18,944. I'm just going to remove it so you can see it clearly. 18,944 is our POI, which is $1,000 below than that, because there is no volume in this situation. And there was a weekly also here, which is being tested and invalidated now. So that's what's going on for the BTC. Really clean and nice setup to look at. Currently, we are just testing the 19,962 support level. If an hourly breaks down here, and we're gonna retest it again. If it failed to do so, move or stay upwards, then we're definitely gonna come down and we're gonna short this level to 18,944. So that's what's happening in the BTC. Please note that level, and we're gonna see day or two later how it's going to turn out. All right, so I'm going to move towards the Ethereum chart. Ethereum has been really like being amazing for me. We have just been, shorting it yesterday in our mentoring launch since 1215 value to like 1180s range, and then I personally kind of shorted it again, and my current level is for shorting is $1120. So as for the Ethereum, the chart and the similarities are kind of the same thing with the BTC. That's what's going on in here. The lowest point is $878, and the highest in this range is 1281. So we are not testing any level here, but we are just filling up the imbalance that has been created on 24th of June, 12 a.m. in the morning in this hourly candle. So we are just filling it up, and just testing this. And I hope if we're going to lose the 1100 range, the 1066 is our POI, the single print, the SP is at 1013, and then our TPOC is $960. So there's a high chance that we're gonna test it and we're gonna go down. So I'm just shorting it from 1120, and it's just an isolated trade, and my risk is managed. I just use mostly 1 or 2% per trade. If it goes south, according to my analysis, I'm gonna just DC it, and I'm gonna buy more because I know it will gonna come down, and I know for the fact that what the price action's been saying, and how it will gonna turn out, we're gonna see in a couple of days. So that's what's happening in the BTC and Ethereum. Do watch these levels, and if you want the updates, come and join my Discord, and we're gonna have the live handhold support in during trades, and the analysts are there, and I'm there for like 18 hours a day for the entire support. So thank you so much, and we're gonna see how it will gonna turn out. So yeah, take care.